Join the movement. Go all electric with Pure Electric.
On the outside we've planted fruit trees wherever they can be fitted. We really tried to use every spare bit of dirt to produce something edible. Our community garden started small and has grown to become a lovely way to interact with the street and our neighbours. Our family only gets 1 in every 5 things produced by this patch, but that's the whole intention of our curbside garden. Built by my wife's 93-year-old pop, this tree house is the envy of kids all around the area. A lovely place for adults too, to sit or lie down and watch the world go by. Our hot water is generated by the evacuated solar tubes on the roof. The white roof has a high solar performance by reflecting the majority of the sun's radiation. While modest for today's standards, the house also has a 4 kilowatt grid connected PV solar system. To the backyard, we've got some large netting to keep soccer balls and footballs out of our neighbours' yards. And our large trampoline keeps our kids active. These raised garden beds provide plenty of strawberries, blueberries and raspberries, all watered by our captured rainwater. The tank also is backed by that yellow 100-litre pressure tank, meaning the rainwater pump is cycled less. Our beehive improves pollination throughout the neighbourhood and produces honey in the warmer months. Every tap in the house is supplied by the rainwater in the 3 tanks there. We originally had just 2, but the 3rd was added 2 years ago. It means we never run dry. An additional standalone solar array has been added to the back shed, which not only provides free electricity but insulates the shed from the harsh summer sun. The standalone off-grid setup is backed by a small 24-volt battery bank, then converted into AC to power the shed, rainwater tank pumps and whatever else we can take off the household power. The internal courtyard offers a chance to introduce ample glazing to capture the northern sun in the colder months. As the hallway glazing faces west, these bespoke retractable shades help to minimise heat ingress during the warmer months. They were designed to abut the tree and can be further modified as the courtyard tree grows. The plywood eave lining continues into the house and throughout the house, creating an elegant blend between outside and in, as well as providing a lovely warm light source via the wall mounted uplights. The internal thermal mass is provided by the polished concrete floors, which incorporate hydronic heating, meaning warm water is distributed throughout the slab in the colder months. You can see there's no need for a dryer in this house. The high opening windows allow for cross ventilation, where the hot air is purged in the warmer months at zero cost. There is more thermal mass implemented as low-cost Besser-block internal walls strategically placed throughout the house to capture the warmth from the low winter sun to re-radiate at night. It also acts to cool the house during the warmer months. The hallway is quite wide, allowing a generous amount of airflow throughout the house. We see the courtyard now from the inside. All windows and sliding doors are argon-filled double glazed with UPVC frame. The external slider was crafted to match the ceilings and provides a great way to isolate the back room from the rest of the house. A feature window in the kitchen offers a lovely view onto the neighbour's passion fruit vine, which has kindly started growing on our side of the fence. The splashback helps us keep up to date on the shopping lists and our kids' chores. You may spot the air conditioner, which was put in for emergencies, and it's normally used between 10 and 20 hours every year. There are more Besser-block walls in the back room which moderate the temperature further. You can also see the cat has found yet another opportunity to sleep in the sun. The windows are a mixture of tilt and turn and awning. All have fly screens, and most fly screens are retractable, as you can see me managing to do with one hand. The study is a great example of how glazing can open up a house. I can sit and work while watching the kids play in the back room or the backyard.